Today's episode of You Get What You Pay For post-COVID. This is a 6x12 carry-on utility trailer. Overall, I give it like a 7 or 8 out of 10. Like, the imperfections are kind of like super nitpicky. It's a light duty trailer. I didn't buy it for heavy equipment. I bought it for basically walk behind mowers. The GVW one, it's a little over 2,000 pounds. For the price point, it was pretty good. Just a couple things I noticed about it. They got interesting and they ran the wiring up top, which I thought was kind of weird. Normally you see it on the bottom. Some stupid little things where they have the wires. I feel like it was a little sloppy. I need to mention that I got this trailer heavily discounted. But the stupid little things you notice when you really spend a lot of money on a trailer, which I clearly didn't do here. Most of the crowns are up on this deck, which is what you want to see. There's about 3 or 4 that are facing down, so I don't think that they were necessarily paying attention when they did the deck. There's some stupid little paint imperfections, like they missed that right there on the gate, on both sides. You know, these things are like mass produced. But overall, I'm not mad at it. It's going to serve the purpose that I need it to serve. But there's stupid little things that are going to become problems. The way they ran the wiring, the hardware they used for the wiring. You know, the crowns facing down will cause those boards to pop. I'll have to fix all them up. Like I said, overall it's 7 out of 10. There's a lot of, you know, little minor imperfections in the paint. If you look under here, you can see where the paint ran real bad. Just not stuff you see on a high-end trailer. Again, this is by no means a high-end trailer. I didn't bring it home expecting it to be completely mint. The other thing I noticed that they do is, let's see if I can get under here. All these deck boards are nailed in. So I'll be interested to see how long that actually holds up. Overall, again, it's a 7 out of 10. I didn't pay top dollar for it. It's not a top dollar trailer. It's a very light duty trailer. It's something a lot of beginners would buy. But we got it because it's a light trailer and I'm trying to curb fuel consumption on some of the trucks. And I would really like to add some smaller trucks to my fleet for the purpose of curbing fuel consumption. Again, it's a carry-on. I purchased it at Lowe's. It was well discounted. I got a good price on it. It's brand new. It does come with a warranty. I've never bought a trailer from a big box store before, so I still have to go to the Department of Motor Vehicle and get it registered because they were closed by the time they found the keys to unlock it so I could drive off the lot with it. But yeah, it's not a bad trailer for, you know, your beginner or your weekend warrior. I definitely wouldn't push it too hard. But that's it.